Sourdough bread is a bread without added yeast, making it a prebiotic and gut-friendly alternative. To be able to bake a sourdough bread, we need a sourdough starter. Start by adding flour to a clean glass jar, then pour in the same amount of water. Mix the flour and water until smooth. Put the lid on. Now take 50 grams of your dough and put it in a clean jar. It's time to start feeding it, to keep all that friendly bacteria alive and well. Add equal amounts of water and flour. Mix until smooth every time you've fed it. Remember not to close the lid fully to let some air in. Look for the signs of a healthy sourdough starter, bubbles, or even a layer of liquid on the top. Use a rubber band to see how it evolves. Leave it for at least a week and remember to feed it daily. Now it's time to bake. Pour water into a mixing bowl and add your sourdough starter. Continue by adding the flour. It's now time to mix the dough. Stir with a wooden spoon until it starts to come together, then knead it until it's smooth and elastic. Cover with a towel and leave for 30 minutes. Add the salt and mix well. Cover and leave for another 30 minutes. For the next 2 hours, leave the dough to ferment, but remember to fold it every 30 minutes. When the 2 hours have passed, gently stretch and fold the dough to build tension, and leave it for another 30 minutes. Flour the proofing basket. Fold the dough into an envelope and put it in the floured basket with the seam side up. Now put your dough in the fridge and leave it there for 12 to 24 hours. Then place the dough on a baking sheet and use a sharp blade to score it. Bake it in the oven and place a cast iron pan with water underneath. The steam will give a crispy crust. It's time to enjoy a slice of your own homemade sourdough bread.